Hi everybody, this is Beatrice. Today I'm going to be working with resin crete or eco resin, whatever you want to call it, just to do something different to resin. I've mixed the color, which is sort of like a pale green, to match the decor that I'm going to use. I won't speak much in this video, but you could see what I'm actually doing, and I think most of y'all have worked with eco resin, so you know the drill with the mixing with the, I use water instead of the liquid that comes with it. This one is mixed with I think 3 parts of the eco powder and 1 part water. So I've made I mixed 3 different containers to get this color. So I mixed I mixed 2 greens and a black to get this deep, I don't know, it's a sort of like a olivey greeny, bluey greeny type mix, and I've poured it in. I think I need to redo my camera because I was mixing everything and you couldn't see anything. I have to redo it. Just trying to get that darker tinge of olivey green mixed up. So I took a lighter color before, and this is just a little bit darker, tinge darker. Working with this powder is actually quite messy. Actually see the edging. I think I'll speed this up a little bit because there's a lot of mixing going on, and you don't want to be sitting there just waiting for the next lot. I'll be back. Okay, so here you've seen me put the decor and everything on and trimmed it up a bit, but then when I put it on, it had a line around it. It didn't look very nice, and I was trying to think what I could do, so I ended up getting my PBO gold liner. I've actually got quite a few of these different colors, and decided to do this. And you'll see what I do. I won't speak much, but I've got a cough, so what you're seeing me doing is basically self-explanatory. I think that's enough. You can also do the petals if you want, but I like it simple, plain simple. I'll have to do another sticker to put here, and then I'll do a little bit of sparkle around there too. I wonder if I should use the rest of the edging there. Wonder how it'll look. So with this is, you'll have to either resin it or varnish it, which you must do anyway. So I'm just applying some glitter on the edge of the rose petals. So I'll get this all done. I won't show you the whole process because it'll take hours. You'll have a look. But I think it looks beautiful. So you see the end results now. There's a few images. Thanks for sticking around and watching the whole process. Thank you for supporting my channel. I hope you leave comments and questions. Thank you.